Documentation plays a vital role in reviewing the policies. When we have documentation, proper documentation, we can collect all the information about the ongoing process, how the process is going on. Is there any change required in the process? What kind of changes should be made? We can get lot of information from the documentation, and that will help us to make some changes in the existing policies. So here we will talk about how we can document the resources of online teaching in our institution.
Create an online store in your school website. All that you need is an unlimited storage and bandwidth from your service provider. Create a login page for your school parents and students. Parent circular and reminders could be posted in the parent login portal. Now, a class 10 student log into the student portal. Once they log in, they will be able to see what are the subjects available, what are the resources available for their class. All the online resources could be stored in the respective folders subject wise so that students can use them at their convenience. Now, a class 10 student, he likes to learn some content from a science folder, so he clicks it and that leads to the next page, and here chapter wise the multimedia content, teaching learning resources are stored chapter wise. Okay, I like to learn chapter 1, then it takes me to this page. So here I find all the resources in one place. For example, the presentation prepared by the teacher and some useful videos related to the content, and the entire lesson is stored in the form of a PDF. So even when I am traveling, I can just click this link and read the book. A student can read the book. Then there are teachers who are giving notes in the classroom that will consume a lot of time they will be spending in writing. Here the teacher can post the answers for all the questions and extra questions prepared by the teachers and the solutions in one file, and the worksheet related to this lesson, it is stored here. Something like this, all the resources can be found in one place, so student can choose and they can learn when they are free. At the end of the academic year, online resource review could be conducted in the school, class wise and subject wise. Content could be revised or completely changed based on the feedback obtained from the students. This will greatly reduce the workload of the teachers in the following academic year. Teachers need not prepare the presentations again for all the lessons. They need not plan teaching learning activities, lesson plan, worksheets, assignments, and other required resources again and again if the syllabus is not changed.
This initiative opens up an avenue for a new challenge. When we have all the resources in one place, the gifted students will watch all the resources within a short span of time, and they will learn quickly. They will finish everything. So the teachers must have a separate plan for the gifted students to feed their intellectual hunger. We have to think about it very seriously.